Mabuhay! My name is Julian S. Solas from Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, second year. My position title was Flight Attendant or Cabin Crew. My department unit someday is on Cebu Pacific or Philippine Airlines and also the Qatar Airlines. My long-term goals was to become successful and I want that someday I will become an executive assistant or in higher position. And also my short term is to have a good behavior and to be part of tourism industry. My action was be a part of a agency or I enrolled the academy and have the certificate for flight attendant. And also I want to have a training in airlines. Also I want to attend a seminar that talk about in tourism industry. Also I want to have a training for education in tourism industry. Also, my objectives was to have certificate and work to work my career. Also, to learn about safety, to gather more knowledge or information and apply it in my daily life. And my support was in financial is also, my support was to become financial status is fine and in my needs also in my school to have a certificate and training and then also in my expenses and then also my measurement together that is also, my measurement was to become a successful and have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge in tourism field or industry. Also, my target date was 2026 to 2030 years. The measurement was I was able to apply is to become a successful and have gathered the more information and knowledge and also the experience in the field of tourism industry. Also, my target date is 2026 to 2030. Thank you.